Ajipsor Lapola Kuburti, Department of Power, Chief Engineer Office Transmission and Generation Nagaland Kohima Jonathaka Asapti, 132 kV single circuit tower number 16, Woka Sanis transmission line, Saturday Sam Girija Ishukarni, Department Aro, District Administration Ikiloko Kurgina, Inspection Jatu, Tower Laganat Aro Boldukan, Ulai Loa Karni, Girija Yena Thaka, Witness Kulo Shiko Asem. Spot verification kurgena nat aro tower laga parts khan ulai la witness kula apchiti chief engineer transmission and generation penrithang yanthang statement kridia sabtu clear intention of tower laga parts chor kula karni girjasha aro inspection ti tower number 15 17 duita tepi tower laga branches khan chor kulogina thagya pajashi ko ase. Released a 132 kV Kohima Woka Sanis Doyang transmission to State Capital Kohima connection di thagya ko ase aro Woka Doyang macheti alag location chorbishi hogina thagya karni bishi sal rukhi jab cheti state government khan to poisa bishi phelai gena 2016 restore kuri disha aro inika chorkuri thagya koi dia ase. Parachi Nigam Kun Itubar UP Board Class 10 Examination T 98.5% mark logina Top Kula facial hair karni tai ketrolin kri aha khan ki responded kri disha aro tai tu ta laga appearance karni na hogina ta laga mark karni chenda thakshi ko dia ase. Parachi laga picture social media platform ti widely circulate kugina viral kura thamti tai ke support kura khan ke dangor thanks dia ase aro ta laga facial hair karni manu khan tu hotai tai ke discriminate kugina ahi jashu lipi itubara tu study effect kura nai instead ta laga study focus thakshi ko dia ase. Parachi laga statement ti changya gaya pi ta laga appearance karni manu bishi bra criticize kugina ahi jashu lipi ta laga study effect na thakya nishna same feeling tai opor thaksha aro ta laga pics image social media platform ti widely circulate kugina viral kriatamti Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra tu personally Parachi logina kotha kurdisha aro study focus kugina dream achieve kurbole koida nishna UP board exam ti top kurlo shiko ase. Itu karne ami khan book laga cover logina tu judge na kurbole Parachi laga life ti clearly ami khan dangor lesson pailu ase. Ajikale hawa pani karni alag hatsa ulagina gore property destruction bishi ane thaka homoiti ja kalipi bro lengri Karbi Anglong Assam Nagaland border ti ji hatsa dangor ulagina 40 household pura puri cholai dishe kogina report pailu ase. Sources pa thake sabti ji hatsa tu ek baji nishnate ulai jaisha aro khobor pasat West Fire Station Dimapur responded kridigina Tuita fire tenders deploy kugena ju mutai dishe ulipi ju control kubole na para ageti 40 household cholai dishe kogena official khobor dia ase. Ita tak tu ki karni ju hatsa ulai jashe iku detail jana nai hulipi ju hatsa uladamti power cut off kugena thakshi itu karni doubt thakya tu short circuit issue nimite ulagena thakbole suspected krilu ase.
Julishi bowling wheel achanak kinega korna wala shi details na jane itia chuli ase tabi to mogalna photo pachishi rasta side ti hoba itia fire brigade te bundishi
Dimapur Chamber of Commerce and Industry Canberra indefinite shutter down matigina ja thaka opoti Naga Council Dimapur aro CNCCI request kura sabti aji 12 baji bra logina 6 baji samtakti business establishment sob kholigena cholibole thaka jonai dia ase. Itu window piriti Ngukchun Chamber of Commerce and Industry khantu public khan ki panic na kurubole koi disha aro traders khan ki warning kri thaka tu situation laga advantage logina business practices ti দাম নাউথাবলে কৈ আছে আৰু ট্ৰেডাৰ্ছ খান গিল্টি কৰিনা থাকা পাই যাইছে কইলে সাজা উঠাব কইনা ৱাৰ্নিং দিয়া আছে Dimapur Chamber of Commerce and Industry DCCI খান lar listi itu window period toli 6 hours karne ase aro Saturday din state government authority charter demand submit kurgena thakya positive response na paise kuli 30 of April Tuesday bratu indefinite shutdown resume kurlobo kugena official press statement di thakya viewers khan ki jonai dia ase African swine fever cases state town pitoti ulagina aro unconfirmed report ti contaminated pork gauri mongso pikai thakya khobor pa karni fake town public forum PTPF kantu fesla kurgena pig piglet butchered dress pork town pitoti alak notice serve nakra takti na pikabo kina fesla kurlo shiko ase emergency meeting ti forum khan pi resolve kurgena thakya tuli kun holepi violators khan tu 30,000 supplier aro 15,000 transporters khan ki inika impose kurbo khogena fesla kurlo shiko ase itu kani ward chairman GB aro ward youth president khan tu strictly sagena thagibole directed dia ase aro fake town public forum general secretary laga press statement ti kun holepi bemar ulai thaka suspicious ho jaise kuli forum khan ke naholepi chief veterinary office fake town ti immediately report kurgena sai lobole district manukhan ki jonai dia ase ajikali mati khan pi crime alag te involve kurgena ja thaka homoiti Nagpur police khan ja kali report di thaka asapti Nagpur maki ekjon relationship kri thakina poverty dealer opor joborjosti private party mari disha aro murder crime commit kurgena thaka report dia ase police report ti property dealer 55 years Ravendra Murija Lagalash 19 of April recover kurla karni postmortem sukugena report ti testicular injury kurgena Murija report pa karni detail investigation sukra tamti Ravendra laga chokra reveal kurgena ta laga baba tu Kajal Jut 27 years ajikali alak mota loko sadi kurbole plan kri thakya dujon ceremony funding karni relationship kurgena ahija koidan miti detail investigation kri thakya tu 19 of April Akash Nagar ti loha logena private party marida karni muri jaise kogena reveal kudisha aro Saturday bratu maki opor charge kurgena detail investigation huta huti kri thakya official report dia ase